Self-love. It's a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of growth and acceptance, a path that we walk every single day. It's not about reaching a point where you feel perfect, but about appreciating the progress you make along the way. It's about embracing every part of you, the good, the bad, and everything in between. It's about looking in the mirror and seeing not just your physical appearance, but the person you are inside. It's about understanding that every part of you, every experience, every emotion is a piece of the puzzle that makes you whole. Your strengths, your flaws, your unique beauty. These are the things that make you who you are. Your strengths give you the power to overcome challenges. Your flaws make you human, and your unique beauty is what sets you apart from everyone else. Embrace them all, for they are what make you, you. It's about recognizing your worth, knowing that you are valuable, not because of what you do or how you look, but simply because you exist. Your worth is inherent, and it doesn't diminish because of mistakes or failures. It's about standing tall and proud, knowing that you are enough just as you are. You are worthy of love, starting with yourself. Self-love is the foundation upon which all other love is built. When you love yourself, you set the standard for how others should treat you. You teach others that you deserve respect, kindness, and compassion. And most importantly, you remind yourself that you are deserving of all the love in the world. Self-love is a daily practice. It's not something you achieve once and then forget about. It's a commitment you make to yourself every day. It's in the little things you do to take care of yourself, whether it's meditating, practicing a skincare routine, or simply taking a moment to breathe and relax. Some days are easier than others. There will be days when self-love comes naturally, and days when it feels like a struggle. And that's okay. It's all part of the journey. On the tough days, be gentle with yourself. Acknowledge your feelings, but don't let them define you. Remember that it's okay to have bad days and that they don't take away from your worth. But remember, you are on the right path. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate your progress. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how minor they may seem. Each one is a testament to your growth and your commitment to yourself. Keep going and know that you are doing an amazing job. Makeup is like art. You are the canvas, your face a blank slate. With every brush stroke you create, express yourself. Experiment with colors. Makeup can enhance your natural features, highlight your eyes, add a pop of color to your lips. It's about enhancing, not hiding. I've seen the power of makeup firsthand. A swipe of mascara can brighten someone's day. A bold lipstick can boost confidence. It's not about vanity. It's about self-expression. It's about feeling good in your own skin. When you feel good, you radiate confidence. Growing up, I struggled with self-esteem. I compared myself to others. I felt insecure, but makeup became my outlet. Through makeup, I discovered my creativity. I learned to love my features. I realized that true beauty comes from within. Section 5. The illusion of perfection. Social media can be, well, overwhelming. Filters, perfect skin, unrealistic beauty standards. It's easy to get caught up in the illusion. Remember, what you see online is often curated. Don't compare yourself to others. Your journey is unique. Your beauty is real. Section 6. Embracing imperfections. What are imperfections anyway? Society tries to define them, but our differences make us beautiful. Freckles, scars, birthmarks, these tell our story. Embrace your so-called flaws. They are part of what makes you, you. There is beauty in imperfection. Section 7. Finding your inner light. True beauty radiates from within. It's about kindness, compassion, confidence. It's about loving yourself unconditionally. Take care of your mind, body, and soul. Nourish yourself with positive thoughts. Surround yourself with people who uplift you. Section 8. Makeup and self-expression. Makeup is a tool. It can be empowering. It allows individuals to transform their appearance, to play with different looks, and to express their unique personalities. Whether it's a bold red lip, a dramatic smoky eye, or a subtle natural look, makeup can be a powerful form of self-expression. It can be a form of self-expression. Through makeup, people can convey their emotions, their creativity, and their individuality. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and showing the world who you are. Makeup can be a reflection of your mood, your style, and your personality. Use it to enhance your mood, not hide behind a mask. Makeup should be fun and enjoyable, not a chore or a necessity. It's about enhancing your natural beauty and feeling confident in your own skin. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or just want to add a little sparkle to your day, makeup can be a great way to boost your mood and express yourself. Experiment, have fun, be creative. Don't be afraid to try new things and step out of your comfort zone. Makeup is an art form, and like any art, it requires practice and experimentation. Play with different colors, textures, and techniques. Watch tutorials, get inspired by others, and most importantly, have fun with it. Let your inner artist shine through. Makeup is a canvas, and your face is the masterpiece. Whether you prefer a classic, timeless look or something more avant-garde and experimental, the possibilities are endless. Use makeup to express your creativity and let your unique style shine through. There are no rules when it comes to self-expression. Makeup is for everyone, regardless of age, gender, or background. It's a way to celebrate diversity and individuality. Break the norms, challenge the stereotypes, and create your own rules. Makeup is a powerful tool for self-expression, and it's up to you to decide how you want to use it. Section 9. Conclusion. Celebrate your unique beauty. You are beautiful. Every feature, every curve, every line tells a story that is uniquely yours. Embrace it, just the way you are. Embrace your individuality. Celebrate your uniqueness. In a world that often tries to fit us into molds, remember that your individuality is your greatest asset. It's what sets you apart and makes you special. Your beauty shines from within. It's not just about the surface, but the light that emanates from your soul. Confidence, kindness, and authenticity are the true markers of beauty. Remember, self-love is a journey. It's not a destination you reach overnight, but a continuous process of growth and acceptance. Take time to reflect, meditate, and understand yourself better. Be patient, be kind to yourself. Self-love requires nurturing and care. Pamper yourself, take breaks, and give yourself the love you so freely give to others. It's okay to prioritize your well-being. You are worthy of love and happiness. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and remind you of your worth. Cherish those moments of joy and let them fill your heart. Now go out there and shine. Let the world see the incredible person you are. Walk with confidence, smile with pride, and never forget that your unique beauty is a gift to the world. Embrace it, celebrate it, and let it inspire others to do the same. If you enjoyed these tips and want more inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more interesting tricks and ways to embrace your beauty.